Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a blurry moving text in CapCut. So here you can just open the CapCut with a black background from the stock video, then add your text. Okay, then you can choose your favorite font. I'm going to add this one. Then after that, just export the video. You can just click done and open the video you just saved in a new project, and go to video effects, click on lens and find the edge glow effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the glow to 11. Okay, click on a check icon, then go to video effect again, find distortion, then select the ripple distortion. Adjust the effect like this. So for the sharpen, adjust it into 50, then blur 30, size 13, speed 12, then intensity 37, and last twist 54. Okay, go back, click on a check icon, so the text will moving like this. And to add the blur effect, you just need to go to the video effects again, find the opening and closing, and select the halo blur. Okay, adjust the speed into 100 and intensity 35. Okay, click on a check icon, and now you are done with the text. It will go like this. Then you can just export the text. Then you just need to open your project. Oops. And go to overlay and add the video text as an overlay. You can fit the size. Then just choose blend and select filter. And you are done. So here is the text result. Okay guys, so that is how you can make a moving text with blur effect. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.